Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Chrome browser images is not loading. Whenever you try to search any kind of thing and if images is not loading, then I will show you guys the three effective solution that will definitely fix your problem. First, go to the Windows tab here, the proxy setting, and this will show on the top. Just simply open it. And once you open it, here you will see the option of automatically detect the settings. So you just need to turn it off and also off the manual proxy setup. And you also need to make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN. Then go to the Windows tab here, the ncp.cpl, and simply open up this setting. Here you just need to right click on your connection if you have the Wi-Fi or your Ethernet and go to the properties. Now here in the Wi-Fi properties, you just need to scroll down and you will see the Internet Protocol version 6. So you just need to uncheck this. This is very important guys. And after that, just highlight the Internet Protocol version 4. Go to the properties, click on the use the following DNS server and in the preferred DNS type this server which is the 8888 and the alternate type the 8844. And guys, this is the best Google DNS server. And if you don't want to use it, then you can also use the server of the Cloudflare. You can type the exactly same, which is the 1111, and in the alternate type the 1.0.0.1. This is guys the Cloudflare DNS server. Then click on the OK. Then just simply open up your browser, and if your problem is still not fixed, then you can go to the Windows tab with the CMD and run as administrator. And once it was open, here you can simply type the command which is the ipconfig and space forward slash and flush DNS. Once you type it, just hit the enter, and then you can simply type the command which is netsh and space and winsock and space and then reset. Once you type it guys, now you have to simply restart your PC. After the restart, your problem is definitely fixed. And I hope guys one of these solution work for you, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.